have different flight number or destination, please call your cabin crew for assistance. To depart for Cebu, in command of the aircraft is Captain Julie, alias led by First Officer Neil. Our flying time is approximately 1 hour and 5 minutes.
Hello mga kalablab! Once again, this is your DJ, Dangpaw, ang ahente ng Mandani Bay. Yehey!
Please direct your attention to your cabin crew who will demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. Each seat is provided with a seat belt. To fasten, push ends together. Tighten seat belt by pulling loose end. To unfasten, lift top of buckle and pull free end to release. In case of water landing, your life vest is found under your seat. Remove sharp objects from your body. To don, slip vest over the head. Take tape around the waist and push end to buckle. Pull tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull inflation tags to inflate vest. Manual inflation is done by means of the red tubes. Blow to increase air and push pins inward to release air. Light automatically illuminates once the battery is immersed in water. Do not inflate the life vest inside the aircraft. Please be reminded that unauthorized removal of life vest from the aircraft constitutes theft and is punishable by law. The cabin is pressurized. Should there be a rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen masks are available on selected panels with an indicator. When this happens, insert a sharp object into the pinhole. Immediately grab the mask, pull it towards you, put it over your nose and mouth, and breathe normally. Cabin crew shall assist in the administration of oxygen after a decompression. In case of emergency evacuation, follow the lights that will lead you to the exits. For further information, please refer to the passenger briefing card found in your seat pocket. This aircraft is equipped with emergency exit signs found in the cabin. The location of the nearest exit may be behind you. In any eventuality, guests must leave their bags and immediately proceed to the usable exits. There are also fire extinguishers in the cabin. Operation of the device. We are about to take off. Straighten up your seats. Fasten seatbelts securely. Keep window shades open and tray tables stowed. This is a non-smoking flight. Use of vape, e-cigarette, and all smoking or vapor inhaling and emitting devices is prohibited by Philippine Civil Aviation regulations. Please stop using your gadget if the battery becomes excessively warm. This refers to all gadgets powered by lithium battery or charger. Regulations. Your cabin crew will now take their seats prior to takeoff.
Welcome aboard DG 6720 bound for Cebu International Airport. Our flight time is approximately 1 hour 5 minutes and cruising altitude will be at 14,000 feet. Weather en route is forecast to be fair and weather update shall be reported prior to our descent. To safeguard guests and crew members against threat of this pandemic,
Evacuate to takeoff stations.
And thank you everyone for flying Cebu.
To be a unit owner at Mandan Bay.